Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Python. Today is another good day to start changing dictionaries. It's just a short name for what we're going to be learning, which is adding and removing items from dictionary. Fret not, is going to be a very simple, quick, brief, brief but in-depth enough so you can start experimenting and doing your own thing with dictionaries. All right, now with adding items, okay? As you've seen before with list, tuples, and set, the index is, well, not with set because set is randomized and you can't really use index, which is ordered, for something that is unordered, but we can certainly use indexes for dictionaries, all right? You have key value, and it's all ordered like that, and you can use indexes, specifically square brackets with double quotes, to add as well as change dictionaries. Now I have a new dictionary with the name apple, and ripe is true. And after this statement, new dictionary color, red, another key and value pair will be added, which is color and red. All right. So before we move on to the next method of adding items to a dictionary, I want to mention that when you use the update method, which is what we're going to be focusing on, if the items do not exist, it will be added, okay? But if it does exist, it will be changed. Now, the argument must be a dictionary or an iterable with the key value pairs format, all right? So here's an example. I have new dictionary again with the name apple and ripe being true. Now, if you update color and red key and pair value format, and there are no color keys, that will be your new thing. However, if there are, then it's just simply change the value of color to red. Next up, with removing items. Now that we've added items, let's talk about removing items, okay? This is a method that you've seen before with list pop. All right? With pop, it removes the key that was passed in as an argument for pop. New dictionary dot pop, parenthesis, double quotes, ripe will be removed, and all you have is name apple for new dictionary. Another variation of the pop method is the pop item method, where it will remove the last inserted item, so there's no need for passing in any arguments. It's empty between the parentheses. Now in Python 3.7 and much older, pop item removes a random item instead. So if you start, if you see the pop item may have some weird or unusual behavior, the first thing you could do is check the version of Python that you're working with. All right. Now with new dictionary dot pop item, which key to value pair, my bad, will it remove? Will it remove the name, or will it remove the right? It will remove the right, okay, because it removes the last inserted item. Next up is del or delete. It will remove the item with a specified key name, but it can also delete the entire dictionary completely. Now you have del, new dictionary, square brackets, double quotes, just like we see over here. Right. The first thing that we see using indexes, square brackets and double quotes. Same thing over here. No, let's go back. All right. Now it will delete or, completely take out the name key with its corresponding value out of the new dictionary. But if you don't pass in an index and you just give it, delete new dictionary, it will delete the dictionary completely. And when you want to reference or use new dictionary in any way, it will pass in an error. And a similar method to delete new dictionary is clear, new dic dot clear. No need to for passing in an argument empty between the parentheses. Now, I just want to have a disclaimer. Deleting a dictionary and emptying a dictionary are two different things. With deleting a dictionary, once you print it afterwards, or you reference it, or you try to use it somehow, it will return an error because that dictionary no longer exists. However, with clear, it just simply takes away all of the values, all of the items that are currently nestled within that new dictionary. Okay? And when you print it or you try to use it or return it somehow, it will just give you basically nothing. Okay? You have nothing. You have some parentheses on as output on display, but it won't give you an error because new dictionaries still exist. You can certainly add more items in, but not removing items, obviously. So let's have with us a new dictionary equals to name is orange, all right, comma, ripe is, let's make it false, and then for, no capitalized, for sale is also false. Right, let's go down here and let's have a new dictionary. Owner. So this is something that we don't have in the OG dictionary. Jackson. Print. New dictionary. And I'm just going to copy and paste this because we are going to use this a bunch of times. Then let's go down here and have new dictionary once again. Ripe. And ripe is a key that we do have. True. And print new dictionary. And the new dictionary dot update, let's say color, right? Color, light orange, light orange, not bright orange. Print once more, and let's go down here and let's have the exact same thing, but let's change the value of color. Let's have it deep orange, okay, and print. Then let's work with pop item, new dictionary dot pop. Pop first. Let's go with pop first. For sale. All right. Print. Then pop item. Pop item. All right. And no need for any argument. Print once more. Then let's delete a key in the dictionary. Let's delete wrong syntax over there. Name. All right. Name is what we're aiming for. Print. And last but not least, new dictionary dot clear and print. All right. So that's all we have for now. Let's go for it. Okay. So first off, owner Jackson doesn't exist. It adds into the new dictionary. So you have name, right for sale, and owner. Now, next up we work with ripe. Since ripe already exists, it simply changes the value of ripe. Once again, we're using the update method. Color is light orange. Color does not exist, so it would add in the into the dictionary, and we have color light orange. And next up, color deep orange. Since we already have color, it changes the value of color. All right. And then pop for sale, we no longer have for sale. All right. Pop item, the last item we have was color, right? Yeah. And now that we popped it, there's no more color. And we've removed the name as well. So we're only ripe and owner are left. And lastly, we clear, and it's clear. Now instead, if I just del new dictionary, it returns error, name error, new dictionary is not defined. All right. Okay, so that's it for adding and removing dictionaries. Next up, we're gonna be looking at some common looping method for dictionaries. So you have an easier way of printing out all of the elements within a dictionary, and it'll make your life way much more easier. So I do hope that you enjoyed today's lesson. Don't forget to tune in and remember to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.